this is Joanne with Bramble Fox today, and I'm going to be showing you an awesome piece from the April Fox box and some perspective hearts that we have in the shop, all different colors and sizes. I love Bramble Fox hearts. I use them all the time. I'm going to use the April 23 hip kits on this. The papers are perfect for this gorgeous photo of my niece on her wedding day. Trying to get her photo scrapped for her. I'm also going to use some mixed media with the awesome Bramble Fox mixed media stamps. There's two different sets. I'll link them below. You can decide which one you'd like for yourself. I also found this really cute Altenew stamp. I'm trying to show it to you without that glare. I'm going to use this floral right here. I backed my photo already, so I use some packaging and some scrap pieces of paper. Some is torn, some is straight. Distress the edges with Distress Oxide and Black Soot. I used this acetate film strip from Bramble Fox. It was part of the 2023 Advent box, and I love them. They are all acetate, so you could actually put a photo in there, but I like tucking them underneath. I was being extraordinarily particular about where I wanted that, so I went ahead and adhered it to the photo ahead of time. So I'm trying to see if I think I'm going to put some color down and then I'm going to stamp, because I don't want to stamp and then get my ink wet, if that makes sense. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to do some blues and purples in this because that color is in the ephemera I'm going to use. So I'm going to bring in some shimmers, vibes, Jenny B blue, perfect. Let me show you what I'm thinking. Look, perfect, right? Isn't that pretty? All right, so I'm going to use some butterflies on this. So with these mixed media stamps, they're not, you can use ink, but you can also just use liquid or any mixed media that you have. I'm just going to pour some to the right hand side of the screen here on the table, just a little bit. You can also dip a paintbrush into the jar of paint and then spread it around on your stamp that way. I'm going to just go ahead and, yep, you can see me on the right hand side of the screen here. I'm going to pick some of this up with my stamp, and then I'm going to tip it like this so some of it runs off. So I'm going to stamp down, lift it up, let some run off, and then I'm pretty sure I want my photo right about here, and then I'm going to put a title and stuff here. So I'll move that away because this could drip, and then quickly come over and just start stamping. You press down and then you just let it be, and you can use up what you have on there. And then I'm also going to take a paper towel and I'm going to come in and dab that right away, because then I'll get a lot of the liquid and my paper won't warp as badly. And then I'm going to use that stamp and put some florals around the outside edges of the photo. The mixed media is all done now. Isn't that cute? I like it. Super simple, you guys. Those stamps are perfect if you are hesitant to put mixed media down. Just put some color on it, stamp away, blot it right away so your paper doesn't warp. It's all good. I did not do the stamping perfect. I did not want it to be perfect. I feel like everything needed to be like slightly grungy because of their black hair, his tuxedo, and her tattoos. I just kind of wanted it that way. So that's what I did. So let's get decorating. I did some stuff to the ephemera, and this is a chipboard frame. I distressed the edges with black soot, and I stamped some of the color on here too. And I think I want to slide this under here. I glued my photo down a little bit, but instead of having the bulk, I think what I'll do is cut this, and that way I won't have to put foam underneath the photo. It's got a little bit of stick on it still. I should have put powder on it, but I did not, and maybe I can use that piece elsewhere. So let me get underneath here. I just wanted to use this frame. I think it matches quite well. Just have a little extra decoration. There we go. Now I don't have to put foam underneath the photo. Okie dokie. All right, awesome title is this. Enjoyed this. And then I got thinking, I did enjoy this day. It was absolutely wonderful. Their wedding was fabulous. But then I'm like, this is going in their book. I hope they enjoyed this. So then I found this older perspective, and it says day. So I don't know if this word day is available anymore. It might not be, and I'm sorry about that, but I have to use it because it's perfect. But this is part of the April Fox box, so definitely you can get that. I'm going to go ahead and just put that down because I know that's where I want it. So then I found this black and white ephemera from the kit. I might want to move that frame. No, I don't. That's good. And I stamped on it, and then I distressed the edges with some more of that Jenny B Blue vibes, just so it wasn't so white and everything else had a distressed look to it. So maybe here, I don't want to cover up any of them at all. I'm thinking putting that there. Then I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, if I want this to extend up a little bit further, like this. It might interfere with my title. I don't know. Let me look. Kind of like it. It's not hitting her at all. This is a piece of fabric ephemera. It says R in life hack hashtag 101, so number 101, and then number 906 on it, which means absolutely nothing. It's just one of those cool pieces of ephemera. I'm going to slide it into the side of the photo. I probably don't even want to see anything but life hack 101, which is getting married and enjoying your life. Put that right there, just for a little something. So I'll get this over here more away from that so it stands on its own over there. Oh, that's good. I like that. Then I do have one more floral that I also thought I would put up here like this, if it looks good. I feel like something needs to go here. This is something I cut off from another piece. I think it looks good there. We'll use the other half of that foam square in there. Get this off. I don't know what this was cut from because I don't remember using the other half of it on anything. So thought we'd just go ahead and use that up today too. And you're going to end up covering up your mixed media a little bit, and that's okay. Okay, then we got all these butterflies. I have one more fabric floral I was thinking about using. We'll have to wait and see. I thought does that look good there? I kind of think it does. It says good things take time, which is kind of perfect for a wedding. I have one more thing I might want to get in here, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use this, but you never know. It's a fabric flower, and I think it's pretty cool, but I think I have enough. I don't like that pink, so we would have to put something over that pink part. And these are fabric leaves that go with, and I just think that they match the blue perfectly. But I don't know. See, we definitely have to put something in the middle of that. I have this bow, but that looks ridiculous. But I want to use that bow on something. I don't know what. That doesn't look too bad. Maybe I could actually do that. Why not? Put some glue on it. Right in the corner. Okay. I'm going to leave that there and see if I like it. I'm going to look through and see if there's anything I can put in the middle of that. Oh, you know what I could put in the middle of it? A Bramble Fox heart. Cover that pink right up and see if we like that any better. Then all we have to do is the butterfly. So while I'm holding that down, let me even, excuse me, see if I want to use these purple butterflies or if I want to keep them all blue. Put a big one down here with a little one and then sneak a little one up here. I'm just throwing them down right now. I don't know if that's where I want them. I think, I don't know about adding the purple. I don't hate it, but I think it would look better with all blue. So I am all done. I adhered down the butterflies and I did change out the purple ones. And then the only thing I did was I added the Bramble Fox hearts in and 4 spots. You saw me put this one down and I just put one here, here, and here. I did end up putting the journaling card here with a little black title that said off to a good start, which I thought was kind of perfect for a wedding photo. I put gold splatters on with Shimmers Paints Color Splash in Gold Digger. I just wanted something other than dark blue and black on here, so I thought gold would be nice. And then I want to show you this Bramble Fox stencil. It is so cool. It's all trails, like butterfly trails, any kind of trails that you want. I even used this once and just kept going across the top of the page, hand poked holes, hand stitched, and then hung Christmas bulbs from it on the top of my page one time. So I put butterfly trails with that stencil on all the butterflies as well. And there's the mixed media for you. And here's the perspectives. Aren't those awesome? I love that. Again, April Fox Box, and the Fox Box Plus comes with a stencil and a paper snip as well. If you would like to subscribe to either the regular Fox Box or the Fox Box Plus with the stencil and paper snip, okay? So here we go. See all the cute butterfly trails. It's just a nice little way to put those on there if you don't want to hand draw them, and I wouldn't be able to myself. I'd mess it all up. Awesome photo. There's the little hearts. They're awesome. I love putting those on my layouts. And there you go, my friends. I'm all done. I'll put close-ups at the end. All the Bramble Fox information that you need is in the description box below, along with our Facebook group. So come on over and join us, okay? Let me know if you have any questions about Bramble Fox. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye.